So this video explains a bit from where do I learn. So basically on YouTube, Cred, Crypto Cred, it's the opposite, but still the same. So this is the one to follow, subscribe. He has all the technical analysis, Bitcoin technical analysis, all the Fibonacci level, all the indicators. So it's very good. This is the best one to learn with many videos. Another one, this one, trading 2 on 2. And you have many tutorials. You have on the playlists, stock investing, many tutorials, very simple, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 8 minutes, explaining everything, like all these. So, and it's very simple because the videos are quite short, gives you a simple introduction, technical analysis for beginners with the oscillators, all the indicators, trading terms, everything. So we have this trading tool, and the last one is the chart guys. So this one, this guy is very, very good, and he does the stock market plus the introduction for beginners. So he explains the same, how to draw trend lines. This guy is also quite cool. So this one I discovered a month ago, and it also has very good videos. But from the other three, you learn all the basics. This one is also a bit more advanced, but also quite good. So this guy, which is called Rainer Theo, this is the guy, also very good to learn, and he has many videos too. Okay, so this is on YouTube, and then from this you can go to Twitter, because Twitter is very big on crypto.
So this is something like, how you can go about trading this particular market.
This is
for swing trading. For position trading, what you can do,
I don't know where he's speaking from.
your stop loss, right? You can use a moving average, like a 20
yeah, so
moving average to trail your stop loss.
Okay.
Price closes above 20 MA, you exit the trade. Or in this case, right?
So he's explaining.
And close above the previous.
I'm trying to close this, so I'll take this one out, and I'll go. So on Twitter, I follow these guys because in the last couple of years I learned a lot with his tweets from this guy. It's one of them. Explains very well what he's doing. This guy is for macroeconomics. It's not about charts, but explaining how is the economy going. Donald, this guy is very, very good. So Donald, Trader Main, also very good. Donald, so you see that what I've Crypto Cred, he also posts charts regularly, explaining all the areas, everything very in a simple way, only with support and resistance, no trend lines, nothing else, just support, resistance, and price action. Crypto Burb is amazing too, one of the biggest ones. This one I don't know, but I'm following, so I don't recommend. Naval, just because it's Naval, is not a trader. Snowden, but it's also not a trader, so let's see. Willy Woo, this is like a macroeconomics guy, and he reads since the beginning, is one of the biggest analysts on Bitcoin, and all the analysis, and on-chain analysis. This guy is also macroeconomics, so this guy is quite cool to follow. for macro economy. Pump is the biggest maximalist on Bitcoin. He's the biggest guy who pushes everything, the strongest guy, so it's cool to follow him. Naval bot, so it belongs to Naval. Benjamin Blunt's very good trader, smart contractor on Twitter, really, really good. Cred again, Donald. Crypto Dog, also very good trader, this one. Even on tech is different. Kentering Clark, also very good, and Josh Rager. So this is good to follow. AMD Trades also good. This guy is very, very good as well. Trader XO. Mr. Anderson gives advices all the time. So this is very good to learn about the psychology of trading. Andreas Andropoulos, one of the biggest maximalists and programmer of Bitcoin. He gives many speech and is the Bitcoin evangelist. He's the guy who speaks everywhere in the world about Bitcoin. Crypto Dog again. Josh Rager, he also is posting charts. Also on Telegram. Let me see if there's a few. There's a few more. Satoshi Flipper also quite good. And you don't need much more. The brother of this guy is also very good for macroeconomics. This is macro. This guy is very good too. Jacob Canfield. Now it changed to Quarrenfield, but it's Jacob Canfield. Very good. Luke Martin, also very good. He does many interviews with Bitcoin and crypto markets. So he's very good. Trying to find. This guy is very, very good as well. Killmax, RJ Killmax. He normally never fails. And this Satoshi Heavy also very good. And I think it's enough. I'm trying to find another one. This is macroeconomics, economy. So it's very good to follow him to know how is the economy going. And I'm trying to find another one that I'm still missing. Trader Call is also good. This one. Eric Crown is very good on YouTube. He does a daily video and he's one of the top traders making loads of money. And he explains every day what he's doing. So this guy is good to follow on YouTube. I forgot him. Salsa Tequila, yeah, it's a bit sometimes good, sometimes not so good. He's a bit crazy. And I'm just trying to, yeah, this is the one I was missing. So Income Sharks, also with very good trades, and it's good to follow. So with this, I think it's enough. With Twitter and YouTube, with tutorials, plus following the trades these guys are doing on Twitter. Just follow them, and you'll be in good hands. And this is from where I learned. Now at the moment, I'm not checking any Twitter, because I already know everything what they are saying. And yes, so I learned already since the last 3 years. But I've been 1 year or more than 1 year every day checking what they were doing. And if the trades they were saying they worked, and normally many of them worked, some it's like 50-50. But if you do risk management, if you lose a trade, you just lose 1% or 2%, and maybe the next trade, because when you enter a trade is to get a risk reward bigger. So it's 2-per-1 or more. So you always enter a trade to get more than 3%, 10%, 15%, not to lose. So you need to do good setups. And yeah, that's it. I think this was cool. So this is the videos I have on my channel. And yeah, I need to get a name of the channel because this is the account I have from one of my business, but doesn't matter. So this is the charts, this is the trading analysis, few videos, but those guys are the ones that are really good to learn with tutorials and stuff.